Question 7 says the table gives a set of price and cross-price elasticities for 4 commodities. What's that? That's W, X, Y, and Z. I guess I cut off the top. There it is. Okay, that's nice. And here's the cross-price elasticities. This is the price elasticity for W, right? So anyway, which pair of commodities are complements? So for complements, a complement, if you have complements, then if the percent change in price increases, then the percent change in quantity demanded of the other good will fall. So percent change in price of A, if it's positive, then you'll have a fall in the percent change in the quantity demanded of the other good, and the opposite is true. So the elasticity, the cross elasticity of demand for complements must be negative. So let's see, complements must be negative. Complements, yeah, because then if you had an increase in the price, the demand for the complement would fall. So let's just look for negatives. And here's a negative 0.7. That's not very clear. Here's a negative 2.7. This is the cross. Yeah, that's the cross. And here's W and X again, and X and X. This is not valid. Y and Y is not valid. W and Z. Oh, but this complements this. So the answer is W and X and W and Z. That's a W. I don't know why it cuts off the top of those lines. So answer for 7 is A. 7, whoops. Let's do 8. And 8 says the price elasticity of demand for a product is constant and equal to unity. Oh, so which curve of the diagram shows the relationship between total expenditure on the product and its price? That would be, well, total expenditure is the same as total revenue. So, and this said that price elasticity of demand is unitary. So if the price increases by 10%, then demand decreases by 10%. And if it's 20, then so total revenue will be the same. So the answer for 8 must be C. For here, the total, if the answer is A, it can't be A, because if the price increases, the total expenditure will continue to increase. If it's D, total expenditure will decrease. And for B, it will increase. So answer for 8 must be C. And question 9 says a bottle-making business announces that it had introduced a new production system. That's good. It will save them money. As a result, the quantity produced per week could be increased or reduced much more easily. Oh, that's about elasticity, isn't it? The quantity produced per week could be increased or reduced much more easily when the price of bottles changed. So that describes, it's not about demand. It's not about demand at all. It's not a less elastic supply. It's a more elastic supply. It's not about demand. So answer for 9 must be D.